You ready for your birthday cake?
No.
So you ready for your birthday cake? Cause I know you was sick for a whole week. So you ready for your birthday cake? So you can get it? Cause you ain't had your birthday cake. Yeah. So you get to celebrate your birthday cause you was sick on your birthday for a whole week. So I'm gonna let you see your big surprise. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if she sees it.
Hey. Oh, what's that?
Is that your birthday cake?
Oh,
Go get it. Yeah, it's your birthday cake. Yeah, that's yours. Yeah, it's your birthday cake. All right, y'all. So today we're gonna be celebrating Lily's birthday because Lily's birthday actually was on last Monday, but everybody was sick. So the whole family was sick. So we're gonna celebrate it this week. So y'all ready to sing Lily happy birthday?
Yes, yes, yes.
we behind the camera, y'all, because we still slowly but surely getting back to ourselves.
Right.
So the kids are completely fine. They're feeling better. All right, so we're going to go ahead. Y'all know we usually give y'all a birthday video. So we're going to go ahead and
This is where I put
sing happy birthday.
1, 2, 3.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Leah. Happy birthday to you. Oh, y'all, we forgot to light the candles. Hold on, wait a minute.
We all off, y'all.
Y'all forgive us, man. We coming off being sick. We gotta get it right. Hold on, let's try that again.
We gotta run that back.
Run that back real quick.
Run it back.
All right, here we go.
She about to blow. You trying to blow?
Keep your breath.
All right, 3,
Hold your breath in.
2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! How old are you? How old?
She said I'm trying to blow. I don't know what you talking
How
about.
old are you? 2. Say I'm 2. All right, you want to blow them out? Good job, Stanky. Good job. Yay! Good job, big girl. Good job.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it for you, okay?
Oh, shoot.
No,
Wait.
Oh, she got
I want some.
Gotta be quicker than that. Say you gotta be quicker than that, Daddy.
Let's see what color this is, because I definitely don't know what color it is.
Let's see.
Oh, this is ice cream.
It's, no,
Yeah, I think this is ice cream.
It's ice cream.
Wait a minute.
Can I see, Daddy? Is it ice cream?
It's kind of thick. Hold on.
Oh,
that's not
not-
ice cream.
Oh,
That's cake. It's vanilla.
it's vanilla.
Yeah.
Vanilla, yes, baby.
Good job, Lily. Oh, she's shaking.
You ain't got to shake for no cake like that.
I got a big slime. I see how it tastes.
Is it good? How it taste? It might.
What it tastes like?
It must not be that good.
Let me taste this thing.
Mine tastes good. Y'all, Leah dropped her cake and started crying. We're going to include a clip so y'all can see how she was last year eating her cake. How is it? Is it good? I wish I could have some. Mommy don't feel that good.
Uh-huh. Yeah. You ready for your vegetables? You ready for your vegetables? You all done? You all done? All right, let me give you some. You ready for your vegetables? Yeah, well, you ain't finna eat all that cake. Mmm. You're almost done. Yeah. Oh man, you're making a real big mess. You're putting all over your shirt. Hmm? Yeah. Uh-huh. That says happy birthday. Uh-huh. You got a big cake for a big girl. Yeah, you got 2 more pieces. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you making a big old mess. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. I think you full. Yeah, you full? Huh? You're full. You can't even eat no more. Yeah, you can't even eat anymore. Yeah, all you can do is point because you're so full. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, you full. Yeah. Oh, if y'all was wondering why she has the wrap around her thumb, she didn't break her, she didn't bruise or nothing like that. But we use that so we'll wrap it so she can't suck her thumb. You know, so we're trying to get her to stop sucking her thumb, so that's why we we'll wrap it. So we got to put a fresh wrap on her now, so she got cake all over. Yeah, I'm letting them know why we had to wrap your thumb up. Because you suck your thumb. Oh, yeah. And that was part of the reason why she wouldn't talk as much. Is because she will always have a thumb in her mouth. So, since we've been wrapping it up, she's been talking a lot more. So that was a plus side to that. I'm gonna let Daddy get this for you, because I don't want you getting no stomach ache. Put that right there. Thank you. Look at that. There you go. See, that's how I knew you was full. You gonna say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.